All right, and now the velocity of the object when it returns to its starting position, continuing the problem from this page right here. And the velocity when it returns is going to be 20, that's the speed, but now it's going in the negative direction downhill. Now, let's move on to questions 9, 10, 11, and 12. So, an object's position is increasing, becoming more positive at a positive rate. So, first of all, we need to talk about, we want the thing to move in the positive direction, and it's not just about negative and positive, it's about the fact that we are moving, and we're moving in a further and further positive direction. So we're saying this way is positive, for example, and we want to keep moving in that positive direction. So first of all, that rules out A, because we're moving in a negative direction. That rules out C. Now, we're also doing this at an increasing rate, meaning that the rate at which we cover distance increases. The only one that does that is D. Now here, positive velocity with negative acceleration, that means that we're moving forward, but the acceleration is trying to get us to move backwards. And when we look at the choices here, the only choice that really does that, a person getting faster as they run towards you, no, that's speeding up. Picking up speed, speeding up. Constant velocity, no. All of these are speeding up. The only one that really works is choice A. Question 11 really confused a lot of people, and I think it's because people thought, oh, negative direction, negative acceleration, negative, negative, negative means slowing down. Let's be clear on what this means. What we're saying is, I'm going backwards, and I want to increase my rate of going backwards. So I'm going backwards, and I'm going backwards faster and faster. That means I'm speeding up. Now, number 12. A ball rolls uphill 50 meters before it comes to rest. Its acceleration downhill, so negative 4 meters per second squared. We want to know what speed it was rolled uphill with. So to do that, I'm going to pick equations, and they don't give me time here, so I'm going to actually use my formula that doesn't have time. So I'll plug in my numbers, and I'm getting 0 squared for my final equals my unknown that I'm solving for plus 2 times negative 4 times 50 minus 0. And so what I end up getting is that 400 equals v naught squared. When I take the square root, I get a speed of 20 meters per second. So that is questions 8 through 12. And then we will continue in our next video.